Welcome to the Daily Tech Reader for Wednesday, August 12, 2026. This national edition covers the latest updates across technology, business, and world affairs. In our Nation and World segment, we look at reports of the U.S. Navy firing on a blockade violator, the confirmation of a plane swap involving Donald Trump, and a new directive banning Medicaid funding for transgender youth care. Key national headlines include the U.S. Navy disabling the vessel Vela Nova for violating the Iran blockade, intelligence reports of a missile threat triggering a flight change for Donald Trump, and new administrative policies impacting Medicaid funding and National Guard deployments. In global updates, the death toll from the 7.4 magnitude earthquake in Colombia has risen above 300. Meanwhile, Ukraine has submitted formal proposals to the U.S. regarding an end to the war, amidst shifting political dynamics in Hungary. Moving to our tech and business section, we cover the highly anticipated unveiling of the Pixel 11, record-breaking revenue for CoreWeave, and the beginning of a significant trial concerning social media addiction. Financial news highlights strong growth for infrastructure providers, with CoreWeave reporting a 112% year-over-year revenue increase. Both CoreWeave and Supermicro have exceeded market expectations, signaling continued robust spending in the AI infrastructure sector. In today's technology briefing, we detail the new Google product lineup, including the Pixel 11, starting at $899. We also note the start of the landmark social media addiction trial against Meta and the Treasury Department's new ruling on beneficial ownership reporting. Our Health and Science report covers today's solar eclipse over Spain and a recent Pentagon statement addressing civilian casualties in Yemen. In economic data, the July Consumer Price Index has arrived at 3.4% annually, matching consensus forecasts. With core inflation steady, economists anticipate the Federal Reserve will hold interest rates at the upcoming September meeting. Finally, in sports and entertainment, the NFL preseason begins tomorrow. The Tampa Bay Rays continue their winning streak, and the latest Spider-Man film has officially crossed the $1 billion mark globally. To wrap up our sports briefing, the NFL is readying for Week 1 of the preseason. In baseball, the Rays have extended their win streak to 8 games, and the film Spider-Man Brand New Day has become one of the fastest in history to reach $1 billion. That concludes today's briefing. For more information, visit dailytechreader.com. Thank you for joining us.